Hi, we are the 6th graders from Finland Turku Kähäri School. We will tell you how we study maths and what we think about it.
We made a research how students came to school. We went in the classrooms and collected data. Every group went in from the classroom and showed the results using bar graph or pie graph.
Ja 60% tuli kävellen ja 40% tuli jotenkin muuten ensin äitin tai isän tuomina autolla.
Nyt Valtteri kertoo vähän.
Punainen väri, eli 22% sanoi, että hernekeitto ja pannukakku olisi paras kouluruoka.
Ja vihreä väri, 6% piti kalapuikkona parhaimpana ruokana.
Ja oranssi väri, 72% piti uunimakkaraa parhaana ruokana.
Our homework was to ask our family where and when they needed to calculate percents and how they managed.
My mother is a dentist. She needs percentage every day.
My sister has used percentage in sales.
One of the myths about Finns is that we are blue-eyed and we have light hair. We made a research and as you can see, it's not true. In our classroom, only 1/5 has blue eyes and 1/3 has light hair.
Math is fun.
Math is hard work.
Math is difficult.
Math is interesting.
Math is team working.
Math is challenging.
Math is useful.
Math is easy.
Math is working together.
Math is cool.
Eikö niitä olisi hyvä, kun mä en oikein